and subscribe to
Today's video, our first garden on the classic truck wrench.
So it's Sunday, we got a break in the rain, and this is where our garden's going. But out here we have a lot of deer and bunny rabbits and things that like to eat gardens. So Rick and I have been digging this little trench around our garden area, and we're gonna put some chicken wire on these posts and bury the wire in the ground like 6 inches and put some rocks around it so that the little critters can't get inside and eat our vegetables if they grow. So anyway, that's what we're doing. I'm gonna go visit chickens. Chicken girls, bark, 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 bark. Watch, they'll come running. Bark, 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 bark. Hi girls. Bark, bark. Hi girls. Hi girls and boys. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, bark, bark. Bark, bark, bark. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, bark. Say hi. Say hi. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, bark. Hi, Cogbird. Bark, bark. Hi, Goldie. Hi, Goldie bird. Hello, Goldie bird. Buck, buck. Buck, buck. Buck, 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 buck. Say hi to everybody. Hi, birds. Hi, birds. Happy birds. Bawk, 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 bawk. So we'll be back.
We're doing good, huh, honey?
Yeah.
It's going to be a garden.
So we got fence all
Almost
around
done.
the back. Rick's got me doing the hard labor. He's doing the easy stapling.
Yeah, I'm doing the easy stapling.
So we're just backfilling. We dropped that fence down about 6 inches in the trench, and then we're backfilling it with dirt so that the little animals can't dig their way in.
And then we're going to show them the river rock, honey, and we're going to put some
and then
river
we're going
rock
to put some of that around the edge too.
To further dissuade them.
And again, Rick gets the easy job of going to get it, and then I have to spread it rock by rock.
I'll try to give you a hand with that, honey.
One by one.
I had the
like I did all these one by one.
Yeah, one at a time.
I did. No. Anyways, so we're almost done. It's got about another, what?
3 sections.
How, 12 feet, 15 feet?
15 feet. You're doing a great job. It's teamwork, honey.
Yep.
And we're kicking some honey. We're trying to get all we want to do today is get the layer of fence up. We still have a gate to build, but we left a wide spot open so that we can get the tractor in there, or rototiller or whatever. And we're just trying to get the first layer of fencing up, maybe get it backfilled, get the rocks up so that we can go ahead and plant our garden. We still want to make the fence higher because we do have deer around here that could probably leap over that pretty easily. Yeah. But I think if we go to the top of the posts with some 2-foot sections, we'll be pretty good. Plus we'll put posts across the top, and if necessary, we'll put more wire across the top. But we just want to get our seeds in so they can get to working on sprouting.
The rows are kind of hard to do by hand.
Are they?
Well, you got to dig from each side to make a hump and a little gullet so that they, See
Okay.
ya.
And
Bye.
that's your Classic Truck Ranch garden update. And then what do we say?
Peace out.
Peace out. Alrighty, got all the chicken wire up for the garden, and Jamie went behind me and backfilled it all. Now I'm gonna go get fire pumpkin up, go get us some more river rock, and we're just gonna put a little bit around the outside just to kind of dissuade things from digging, but I think this will work pretty good. We're gonna come back later. We noticed that they had this wire in smaller widths when we bought this, so we'll go get some 2-foot, I guess, and run it up to the top of these posts, and then we're also going to put posts across the top. Hey honey, I love you. Thank you for all your awesome help today. Are you looking forward to vegetables?
Got my row in.
Yeah? Is that where we're putting the beets? You were putting beets in your row.
A beet, a cabbage, a radish.
Oh no, we're not. Oh no, we'll be back, folks. When we get a few. Well, come take a break, and I'll come give you a hand, and because we're ready for the rows. We're trying to get our seeds in. Wouldn't that be nice? Wouldn't that be nice, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll be back. It's the mob. Whenever you walk out here in the yard, these guys just come a running. They're looking really good though. That's the big boy right there. We think that's going to be the rooster. His name's Cogburn. That's Snow next to him. That one doesn't have a name yet. That one's Spot. It's almost time for him to go in. And they do go in by themselves if you wait. Anyway, the garden's doing really good. It's off to a good start. What are you doing, Spot? Corn's coming up. Lettuce. Broccoli. With the broccoli and cauliflower are in that row right there. Broccoli, cauliflower. Cauliflower's not doing as well as the broccoli. I don't know, maybe it just doesn't grow as high or whatever. We've got lettuce, green onions, cucumbers. And we got a couple more that we're gonna plant, but this is just kind of a little start, you know, to get a start on a garden. You guys, it's about time for you to go inside, isn't it? Cogburn, what are you doing laying down on the job? He's a big boy. You guys want to go in? Want some treats? Let's get some treats. Come on. Let's get some treats. Yeah, so it's real easy to get them to go in. You just throw some food in there, and then when it gets dark, they go up the chute and into their little clucking truck. And they've gotten to where they all sit up on the dashboard and look out at the window at night. We don't have to leave a light on them for them anymore. So that's cool. Anyway, that's it for the garden video. Tomorrow, maybe I'll show you a video of a couple of vehicles leaving the property. Thanks for watching.